Make sure that you cut the ends off of these little cabbages. This is how it should look when they're cut in half. After you put on the EVOO, which we put on every single little Brussels sprout. Okay everyone, this took about 20 minutes, 25 minutes in our stove, and you can see they are ready to go to be eaten. We're going to transfer these into a nice pretty little dish right there. Okay everyone, it took about 20-25 minutes at 375 to cook these Brussels sprouts. They are a wonderful dish. They are so tasty. Anyways, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell, so that way you know of all of our videos that are up and coming. And thanks again for watching our video. Take care. Bye-bye.